Welcome to Learn Chemistry Together. We are exploring a topic of critical public health importance, the carcinogens and toxins present in tobacco smoke. Tobacco smoke is far more than just a simple vapor or unpleasant odor. It is a highly complex chemical mixture containing thousands of different substances, with at least 70 recognized as proven human carcinogens, meaning they directly cause cancer. When tobacco burns, it undergoes complex chemical reactions that generate a wide variety of toxic classes capable of damaging cellular DNA, causing permanent mutations, and disrupting normal cellular regulation. Let us break down the primary classes of harmful compounds found in tobacco smoke and look at how they impact the human body. 1. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. What they are: PAHs are organic compounds formed through the incomplete combustion of organic matter, with well-known examples including benzo, pyrene, naphthalene, and chrysene. Impact: they are among the most potent carcinogens in tobacco smoke. Once inhaled, the body metabolizes them into reactive chemicals that bind directly to cellular DNA, forming structures known as DNA adducts. This structural damage frequently triggers the genetic mutations heavily linked to lung cancer. 2. Tobacco-specific nitrosamines, TSNAs. What they are: these are powerful carcinogens created during the curing and burning of tobacco leaves from compounds naturally found within the plant. Key examples include NNK and NNN. Impact: TSNAs are uniquely found in tobacco products. NNK, in particular, is a potent systemic carcinogen that strongly induces lung tumors, as well as cancers of the pancreas, liver, and nasal cavity. 3. Aromatic amines. What they are: these are organic derivatives of ammonia, featuring key examples such as 4-aminobiphenyl and 2-naphthylamine. Impact: once absorbed and processed by the body, these chemicals are heavily concentrated in the lower urinary tract, making them a primary driver of bladder cancer. 4. Volatile organic hydrocarbons and solvents. What they are: chemicals like benzene and 1,3-butadiene are prominent volatile organic compounds found in tobacco smoke. Impact: benzene is a well-documented human carcinogen that targets bone marrow, directly causing leukemia, specifically acute myeloid leukemia. 1,3-butadiene similarly damages cellular DNA and reproductive tissues. 5. Aldehydes. What they are: this class includes toxic compounds such as formaldehyde and acetaldehyde. Impact: formaldehyde irritates respiratory tissues and acts as a known carcinogen, causing cancers of the nasal cavity, throat, and nasopharynx. Acetaldehyde appears in the highest concentrations among tobacco carcinogens, directly damaging the delicate mucosal linings of the body. 6. Heavy metals. What they are: tobacco smoke contains toxic metals like arsenic, cadmium, nickel, and beryllium. Impact: these metals interfere with the body's cellular repair mechanisms and generate destructive oxidative stress. Cadmium accumulates in organs and damages the cells lining blood vessels, while arsenic acts as a systemic poison linked to lung, skin, and bladder cancers. 7. Radioactive elements. What they are: elements such as polonium, 210, and uranium-235 are absorbed from the soil and phosphate fertilizers used during tobacco farming. Impact: as radioactive materials, they emit localized alpha radiation inside the lungs. This creates microscopic hotspots of radiation damage that work synergistically with the chemical carcinogens in smoke to accelerate tumor growth. How tobacco smoke causes cancer. To understand how these diverse agents lead to disease, we have to look at the cellular level. 1. Metabolic activation. Most tobacco compounds are inert until they undergo metabolic activation by cellular enzymes, such as cytochrome P450s, once inside the body. 2. DNA adduct formation. Once activated, these chemicals aggressively attach to cellular DNA, forming DNA adducts. 3. Repair failure and mutation. While the body has natural DNA repair mechanisms, the sheer volume of damage often overwhelms them. This leads to permanent mutations in vital tumor suppressor genes, like TP53, or oncogenes, like KRAS. 4. Tumor proliferation. These genetic errors trigger uncontrolled cellular proliferation. Ultimately, This sequence results in malignant tumors developing anywhere the smoke physically touches, or wherever its toxic byproducts travel through the bloodstream. Understanding the biochemical reality of tobacco smoke underscores why prevention and cessation remain among our most vital public health goals. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for more.